Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to get SMS for new WooCommerce product reviews. So when you receive a product review on your WooCommerce website, you want a notification message to be sent that yes, you have received a new review and you can check it on the website. For this, you can create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect to integrate these two applications, that is WooCommerce and Twilio. In this integration, our trigger will be the new product review received on WooCommerce and our action will be to send message notification for that specific review. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we will learn how can you receive a notification message for any new review that you will be receiving on your WooCommerce. So we will be creating this automation with the help of Pabbly over here. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that I will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly to us. We are going to use Pabbly Connect to connect these two applications, that is Twilio and WooCommerce. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, I will see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I am going to name it as Send SMS for New Reviews on WooCommerce. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you. Like you can see on your screen, you have trigger and action windows. Now trigger and action are for the applications that you are going to choose over here. Make sure that you have opened your WooCommerce and your Twilio over here in separate tabs. It will make it easier for you to connect also and cross-check the actions that you are going to perform. So let us understand the functioning of trigger and action. Trigger is for the first application where the event will take place. That is, WooCommerce is going to be a trigger application where the new comment will arrive. That new review will trigger the action application Twilio to send a message of notification that you have received a new review on your product. So let us choose our trigger application as WooCommerce. And the event here will be New Product Review. Click on Connect to connect WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new product review is received, Pabbly Connect gets the response for that. Now click on Add New Connection and you have to enter the consumer key, consumer secret and the website URL right here. So how can you get consumer key and consumer secret? You have to follow these help desk instructions given over here. Go to WooCommerce settings, advanced, reset API and then click on add key button. Let us follow these instructions. We are here in our WooCommerce. We will move on to settings from the left panel and here you will find advanced in the menu given over here. After menu, this small little icon is for reset API. Click on the button. That will take you to this page where you can add API or webhooks right here to connect or to integrate. Now you have to click on add key and give a name for your key. So I am going to add the description as this is my description and I will take the permissions for read and write. Generate API key and this is my consumer and key and consumer secret. Copy this and paste it in their respective places. Now comes website URL. For website URL, you have to copy from the WooCommerce website over here and you have to copy till .com. That's given over here. So we are going to copy it till WP3 because that is the important part in our website. Copy this and paste it in the website URL. Click on save and the applications are connected. Now you are given the product ID and the status that is approved. So obviously you are going to choose the products that are approved, but the product ID is given over here. So we'll go to all the products that are over here already published, all products, and choose a product on which you want to create a review. For example, I'm going to choose over here this watch. Click on view. And here I can see a product that is watch. The price is given over here and one review has already been received. You can add one more review right here. We'll go back over here and open this drop down menu to search for the watch. And the watch is here. Okay, so now when you click on save and send test request, it will bring you the responses for watch. And for now, it is going to bring the latest response. So when you click on save and send test request, go back and add your review. For example, I'm going to add as so this is my review. Click on submit. Okay, so first you have to select a rating also. So I will give it 3 stars. Submit and my review is complete. I have given the review. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and see the response. Here we have the response. You can see the name of the person is also here who has given the review. And then we have the review right here with this HTML. So remember, while sending the message, you have to remove this HTML extensions. Alright, other details related to the product are also given over here, but we generally don't need them. Now, we will add our action application as first of all text parser. Text formatter. Text formatter is a feature inside Pabbly. As I just mentioned that we are supposed to remove the HTML extensions in our review. So we will add over here text parser. So it's built inside Pabbly, which means you can use it to format your text in any way. Click on connect. No separate way of connection is required. It is inside Pabbly only. Now you have to map the text over here which you want to change. So you will map the data. How do you map it? You insert the data from the previous step. So there is nothing very difficult in this, but you have to pay attention because it's an important part of the complete workflow or any workflow that you might create in Pabbly Connect. So they provide you with this drop down menu of all the steps that are before this specific step. Now we have just one step before it. So you have to choose it from here. Like this was the one. The text formatting is to be done to this text, and we have to choose that which part of the text is supposed to be taken out, which means we want the text between these two extensions. So add that way that you want after this and before this. Okay, so everything which comes between this P and /P should be coming as a response. Click on save and send test request, and we have the simple basic review over here. Now since we have received this, now we will start with our Twilio, which is going to be our last action application. Choose your application as Twilio. Action event over here will be send message. Click on connect, add new connection, and then you are supposed to enter the account SID and token right here. For that, go to your Twilio account. Make sure you've opened it already. So this is the basic landing page, and over here you will get the SID and token as well. Copy this SID from here. You will be having your own unique SID. So SID you need to paste it 2 places, and the token over here is this. So copy the token, which is a unique ID, paste it right here. Once this is done, click on save, and your Twilio account and Pabbly Connect will be connected. So that Pabbly Connect is able to give a command to Twilio to send a message to that specific number. Now body of the SMS will be framed by us. So we are going to type over here something manually. So first you will mention the product name that you are going to take from here. So we are going to take the product name here as watch, put a full stop, enter, and you can also mention the review as well. So review, colon, and then map the review that you are going to take from the text formatter because we have parsed it. Now this is done. Sender number is going to be taken from Twilio, that from which number this is going to be sent. So you go to Pabbly Connect back and paste the sender's number here. So this is going to be a static number. It is not going to change. Constantly this number will be sending the SMSs whenever a new review is made on the product. And the recipient number is also going to be static. Why? Because for example, this product has been uploaded by one specific person. We do not get the number in WooCommerce, but you can enter it manually over here. So every time this product watch gets a new review, so this specific one single number will receive the message. So I'm going to enter the number over here. Make sure you add the country code as well. Click on save and send test request. And here we have the response. This is the response, and you can see this is how the message will be arriving. Let us check if we have received a message or not. So here is the message that we have received. Send from your Twilio trial account. Hello, you have received a new review on your product, that is watch, and the review is this. So they can go back to the website and check. So this is a notification message that they have received, which means that our workflow has been a success. Let us close this window and quickly do a recap. We created a product review on WooCommerce, formatted the text because we had to remove the HTML extension, and then using Twilio we were able to send a notification message to the person whosoever has created the product on that specific website. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.